So here's the MG996R that I have here in place. And this is the standard servo for Kayra. You see it's 35 kilograms, and this one is, I think, 11 usually. So it's not as strong. And you see that it's a bit higher. From this it's okay, and I think this is also okay. Also the length of these guys is okay, so it's really about the depth. And when you're looking at one of the calves, then this fits perfectly. There is no wobble and no V formation. But if you add this guy, then it kind of fits, but if I press it too hard, then you see that it's moving here. So we need to adapt the design towards a bit broader calves. And so I will do a little tutorial how to achieve that in FreeCAD, because FreeCAD is a parametric software, so you can basically adjust this part. But if you do so, then it also has to fit in here. So this part also needs to move a bit, but I think it's going to be okay for 2 millimeters.